Cloves are very powerful herbs now. A lot of people do not know any use of cloves. They just see it as a spice or medicine. But cloves not only do that, they also have other spiritual benefits. In today's video, I want to share with you the spiritual benefits of cloves. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Golden Blossom channel. In today's video, I want to share with you the spiritual benefits of cloves. But in case you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoyed it. Now, cloves are used for protection and cleansing. In case you want to protect yourself against any negative energy, you can use cloves around your home. Spread a little bit of cloves in your compound or next to your door, and there is no negative energy that will come to your house, or nothing will come to scare you. Burning cloves destroys evil eyes and removes bad spell. Now, a lot of people have bad spells and they don't know how to protect themselves about them or remove them. You can use cloves to protect yourself against any bad spell that is sent to you. Now here you are going to get a few cloves, burn them to ash and spread a little bit of ash cloves around your compound. Yes, this is going to send away the negative and bad spells. Cloves removes pain in our lives and opens ourselves into love and relationship and friendship and healing. Now, do you know that you can use cloves to open yourself to a good relationship and to a good love? Here you are going to put a little bit of cloves in a jar, represent them on a table, just in case you're having your friends over or your partner over, just for a good conversation or a good healing. Put a little bit of water such that nothing comes onto your conversation to spoil it, okay? Use cloves to attract love and prosperity. Now, do you want to attract rich men and rich women? A lot of people are struggling to find good relationships. You can use cloves to attract rich men and rich women. People are going to ask to help you just by using these cloves. Now, in case you are going to meet a specific person, you are going to carry 2 or 3 cloves in your wallet or your bag. Then go and meet that person. There will be only peace and expect good news out of it. Yeah. Use cloves to stop gossiping. Now, if you're the kind of person who is always being talked about, people gossip about you a lot, and you want to stop this gossip, okay? Because gossip carries a lot of negative energy. It carries a lot of big vibration, okay, with a big negativity in you. So if you want to stop anyone from talking bad about you, you are going to sprinkle a little bit of cloves dust in case you are going somewhere, such that people do not point their mouth or their fingers onto you. You always walk in peace. Yes. Cloves are used medicine. Now you can use cloves to treat back pain. A lot of people are struggling with back pain and they don't know what to do. You are going to get cloves and smash it a little bit. Get the cloves dust, put in a jar, add a little bit of coconut oil, and whenever you are going to sleep, always rub your back, massage your back around, and I tell you, you will always have a good sleep and you will get healed immediately. Place cloves under your pillow to get a deep rest. Now, if you are a kind of a person who is always struggling with sleeping, you're always having nightmares and bad dreams, you can always place cloves. Place of 5 or 7 cloves under your pillow to get a deep sleep. You will sleep properly, no nightmare, no bad dreams. Yeah. And in case you are the person who is always having bad dreams and waking up in the middle of the night and doing things that you don't know or you have no idea about, those are always demonic things, demonic spirits that are sent by Satan. You can use cloves, place it in the Bible, and read Psalms 23. Cloves bath. Now, bath cloves water if you are feeling stressed or overwhelmed. You can cleanse yourself just by taking cloves bath. Now add 3 to 5 cloves in your bath water, soak them until you want, and then go take bath. Use cloves to strengthen your friendship and family. Yes, so in case you're planning to have a friendship, a gathering, or a family, or a party, you can use cloves. place cloves in the bowl and place it under the table, somewhere where the party is going to be. Yes, to encourage positive energy and good friendship. Use cloves to stop period cramps. Now, in case you are having menstruation period and you always experience a lot of period cramps every time you are about to get in that time of the month, you are going to use cloves water to stop that period cramps. I promise you, you will never ever get it again. Here you are going to get 2 or 3 cloves, add them into hot water and drink 1 cup in case you're about to have your menstruation period. Now, you can also boil them as well and drink the cloves water. You'll never ever experience that pain again. Use cloves to attract abundance and money. Now here you're going to get cloves, add a little bit of bellies, add money and add in a jar. You can put in the corner of your house such that money is always kept in the house and safe, because cloves keep away the negative energy on the money. So your money will always stay with you and the money will always be yours. That brings a lot of wealth and riches into your family. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now, in case you enjoyed this video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload any of my videos.